Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashura. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today's video I got you guys the 16-inch wig. I am new to the wig game, so please don't come for me if I made any mistakes or if it doesn't look right or whatever, but I'm happy with how it turned out. I got the I got the dramatic baby hair going on the middle part. I got the bob. Stop playing with me, nigga. You know I'm over the bob. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay you guys, so this is a 4x4 closure wig. It is 16-inch in length. I will be cutting this wig, as you guys know, because I'm trying to go for that bob look. So yeah, this wig comes with 3 combs, so one in the back and the other 2 on either side of the wig, and it comes with the elastic band as well. So we're going to be bleaching the knots to this wig, and I'm just using my bleach powder and also my 40 volume developer, and everything will be mixed inside here. So the texture that we're aiming for is like a toothpaste texture, so you don't want this to be runny and you don't want this to be thick. You want like a toothpaste texture. So yeah, this is me just spraying some got2b spray because I don't want the bleach to go into the hair. The light that I was using to record this video was giving off heat, so when I was applying the bleach, as you guys can see, it was not giving toothpaste texture, guys. It was a bit wet. So anyways, we're just leaving that for 30 minutes. Moving on to the silver shampoo, and we're just basically applying that onto the lace, and this really helps remove all that brassy tone. So yeah, we're just rinsing all that shampoo, and then we're just gonna add the silver shampoo with some warm water, and we're gonna place the wig inside, and we're gonna leave it for like 10 minutes. I find that really helpful. I don't know, like that's something that I do. Yeah, so this is how it turned out, and I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I made sure that I conditioned the wig afterwards. So now that the hair is dry, we're now just gonna work on the middle part. So I don't know how to explain this properly, but basically you're just plucking down a straight line, and guys, just take your time with this, and I promise it will turn out amazing. Like, look at this. This is how it should look. So now I'm just using the hot comb because I'm about to do all that plucking business. So I'm using this tweezer to pluck, and I didn't record it because it was tricky trying to record it, and I didn't really pluck that much either, if I'm honest. But here I'm just straightening the wig. So I'm just using this powder, which is like 2 shades lighter than me. You can also use foundation if you want, but I'm using this powder. And yeah, I've got that wig cap on, and I'm just using this alcohol to just clean the area and basically just prep my forehead. So yeah, now we're just placing this wig onto our head and making sure it's in the right place, and we're using this got2b spray, and with the cool setting to my blow dryer, I'm just going to comb through the wig and make sure it is placed properly. I'm now using this tweezer and just removing all that lace, and trying to record the baby hair was so tricky, guys, but I'm using this got2b glue with this toothbrush, and I'm just getting those baby hair. And guys, it was so tricky. I had to film this off camera because it was getting frustrating. Okay, it was just so annoying, but I got there eventually. So now I'm just using this wax, and I'm just about to lay this hair down. Okay, so we're gonna be using a hot comb, and we're just gonna, like I said, lay this hair down. We don't want the hair to look like it's sitting on our head. We want it to look like it is our own hair, you know what I mean? So yeah, now I'm just using some concealer. I'm just hiding the part where you can see my wig cap. So here I'm just cutting the hair. I'm not trying to make sure that it's cut exactly straight, because I'm going to be curling the hair inwards, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm so happy with how it turned out, you guys. Look at that, silky and smooth, and it looks amazing. Like, what? I'm so happy, guys. It was really difficult to film this I'm not gonna lie, it was so tricky. This is a really quick and short video. I hope that it makes sense to you guys, but if you guys want me to go in depth in my next hair tutorial, let me know and I will do that. But I'm really happy with how it turned out, guys. And yeah, I really did something, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching and bye.
Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock with me all day? Not stopping me. Can you take it to the top?